Think like a genius. It sounds like something only very smart people can do. But what if thinking like a genius is not about having a big brain? What if it is about small habits, small thinking tricks, simple moments in your day? Think about your morning today. Did you wake up and check your phone? Did you rush to start your day? Many people do this. Their mind starts running very fast. Too many thoughts, too many small worries. But people who think clearly often do something different. They slow down their thinking. And that is what we will practice today. You are also practicing English at the same time, listening, repeating, speaking calmly. Your brain loves calm learning. So relax, listen carefully, and repeat when you see a shadowing sentence. Let us start with the first small mental trick. Imagine this. You are talking with a friend. Your friend says something that you do not like. Maybe they criticize your idea. Maybe they disagree with you. Many people react immediately. They answer quickly, sometimes with emotion, sometimes with anger. Later they think, maybe I should not say that. Here's the first mental trick. Pause before reacting. Very simple. Just pause. Even 3 seconds can change your thinking. This small pause gives your brain time to choose better words, time to think clearly. People who think will often pause before speaking. It looks simple, but it is powerful. Imagine another situation. You receive a message on your phone. The message feels negative. Maybe someone writes something rude. Your first reaction is to answer quickly, but try something different. Put the phone down for a moment. Take one breath, then answer calmly. That small pause changes everything. Let's practice a sentence together. Say this slowly. Repeat after me. I pause before I react. Again, I pause before I react. One more time. I pause before I react. Good. Feel proud of yourself. Your brain remembers small wins. Here is another short sentence. Repeat after me. A calm mind makes better decisions. Again, a calm mind makes better decisions. Good job. Now think about your daily life. Home, friends, work, messages on your phone. Many moments need only one small pause. That pause helps your thinking become clearer. It is a small step toward thinking like a genius. Not fast thinking, smart thinking, calm thinking. Now, let us explore another simple mental trick. Imagine this. You have many things to do today. Messages, work tasks, learning English, cleaning your room, talking with friends. Your mind jumps from one task to another. You start one thing, then you check your phone, then you remember another task. At the end of the day, you feel busy, but not satisfied. Here is the second mental trick. Focus on one small task. Only one. Not 5 things. Not 3 things. Just one small step. People who think clearly often do this. They choose the next small action. Then they finish it. Your brain loves finishing small tasks. It gives you a feeling of progress. Think about learning English. Some learners try to learn everything. Grammar, vocabulary, speaking, listening, all at the same time. Then they feel stressed. But a smarter way is simple. Focus on one thing. Today you listen. Tomorrow you speak. Today you practice one sentence. That is enough. Let us practice a sentence. Repeat after me. I focus on one small task. Again, I focus on one small task. One more time. I focus on one small task. Nice work. Here is another sentence for confidence. Say this with me. Small steps create big progress. Again, small steps create big progress. Feel that sentence. Small steps, big progress. Your brain understands this idea. Imagine your next day. Morning starts. Instead of doing 10 things, you choose one small task. Maybe drinking water. Maybe reading one page. Maybe practicing one English sentence. You finish it. Your brain feels good. You smile. That small win changes your energy. You are training your mind. Slow thinking, clear thinking, confident thinking, and you are improving your English at the same time. That is powerful practice. In the next part, we will explore more mental tricks, simple ideas that help you think more clearly, and we will practice more English sentences together. Get ready to listen. Get ready to repeat. Your brain is learning step by step. Let us move to the third mental trick. Imagine this. You are at home, scrolling on your phone. You see many posts. Some make you feel bad. Some make you feel jealous. Many people feel their mood drop. They think too much about what they see. Here is the third mental trick. Ask better questions. Instead of thinking, why am I not like them? Ask, what can I do today to feel better? Or, what small action helps me? This changes your thinking. It helps your brain focus on solutions. Imagine this with English practice. Instead of thinking, I cannot speak English well, ask, what can I say today? Or, which small sentence can I practice? That question helps you start, not stop. Let us practice a shadowing sentence. Say this slowly. Repeat after me. I ask better questions. Again, I ask better questions. One more time. I ask better questions. Good. Smile. You did that. Here is another sentence for reflection. Repeat after me. Good questions guide my mind. Again, good questions guide my mind. Feel proud of yourself. Small thinking wins count. Now, imagine your next conversation. Someone asks you a difficult question. Instead of rushing, pause. Then ask yourself a simple question. Which answer helps me most? Your thinking becomes calm. Your words become clear. And your confidence grows. Let us go to the fourth mental trick. Imagine your desk or table. It is messy. Papers, phone, cups. Your mind feels messy too. You cannot find one paper. You forget small tasks. Many people feel stressed with a messy space. Here is the fourth mental trick. Clear your space. Clear your mind. Even small action works. Put one cup away. Organize one paper. Your brain feels relief. One small action changes your focus. Think about learning English. You sit with books and notes. One small area organized. One notebook ready. You start practicing. Your brain feels calm. You can focus better. Let us practice a shadowing sentence. Say this slowly. Repeat after me. I clear my space in my mind. Again, I clear my space in my mind. One more time. I clear my space in my mind. Good job. Your mind is ready. Here is another sentence. Repeat after me. Small actions create big focus. Again, small actions create big focus. Smile. Feel the progress. You are improving. Now imagine your next morning. Before starting, you put one small thing in order. A cup, a notebook, a pen. You feel calm. You start your day clearly. That is thinking like a genius. Calm, small, focused. The fifth mental trick is very simple. Change one small negative thought. Imagine this. You think, I cannot do this. Your brain listens. It feels stuck. Instead, say, I try this small step. Your brain moves forward. Your energy grows. Let us practice a shadowing sentence. Say slowly. Repeat after me. I change one negative thought. Again, I change one negative thought. One more time. I change one negative thought. Good. Your mind is stronger. Another sentence for encouragement. Repeat after me. I focus on small positive steps. Again, I focus on small positive steps. Feel proud. Your brain remembers small wins. These 7 mental tricks are simple but powerful. Pause before reacting. Focus on one small task. Ask better questions. Clear your space and mind. Change one negative thought. Take short breaks. Celebrate small wins. Practice these tricks every day. Use shadowing sentences to improve English. Notice how your thinking becomes calm. Your focus improves. Your confidence grows. Try one sentence today. Repeat it slowly. Feel proud. Smile. You did that. Comment one sentence you practiced. Like this video if it helps you. Subscribe for more listening practice. Remember, genius thinking is not about doing everything fast. It is about small, calm, daily actions. Your brain loves this practice. Your English improves step by step. Keep practicing. One sentence today is enough. Small steps lead to big progress. You are improving. Feel proud of yourself. Smile. You did that. Thank you for listening. See you in the next practice. Your mind is ready. Your English is ready. You are ready to think like a genius.